Welcome to our full guide on how to allow everyone to see a post on Facebook before it's posted. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to begin creating a new post. Step 2. Tap on What's on Your Mind to start composing your post, whether it's a text, photo, or video. Step 3. Look for the audience selector, usually located below your name, and tap on it to adjust the post's privacy settings. Step 4. From the options presented, select Public to make the post visible to everyone on Facebook. Step 5. After choosing Public, tap on Done to confirm the selection and set the audience for your post. Step 6. Once you have finalized the privacy settings, tap on Post to share your post with a wide audience on Facebook. By following these steps, you can proactively set the visibility of your post to ensure it is viewable by everyone on Facebook before you publish it. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to allow everyone to see a post on Facebook before it's posted. Enhance your Facebook experience by customizing the audience settings of your posts to reach a broader audience and share your content with a wider circle of friends and users. Enjoy creating and sharing posts with a public audience on Facebook.